Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to place a name on Google Maps. Ever noticed unnamed roads or landmark on Google Maps? If a place you care about like a park, building or private property doesn't have a name, you can submit a name suggestion. Naming a location makes it easier so others to find it, improves navigation and enhance the map's accuracy. And here's how to place a name on Google Maps quickly and correctly. The first step is to open Google Maps. You can use your phone or just go to maps.google.com and your web browser. Now, as you can see here, I'm just gonna go to maps.google.com and the website will appear with the map. The second step is to drop a pin. Search for the general location and then right click on the spots or press and hold on mobile to drop a pin. Now let's right click on spots, for example this one right here. Let's choose this one. As you can see here, this is drop down menu. The third step is to click add a missing place or suggest an edit. Now on the pin's info box, click add missing place if it's unnamed. If it exists but is unnamed, click suggest an edit and then change name or other details. In here, I'm gonna choose add a missing place. Now here in this menu, you're gonna have to provide some information about this place. Now as you can see, like the name, the category, for example you can write any name, any category from food and drink, shopping, etc. And you're gonna edit the map's location. You can edit it in this box right here. You can also add more details here, like the hours of the work if it's a business, and the contacts if you have a phone number, etc. And you can also add photos and etc. The fifth step is to submit the edit. Now once done, hit submit and wait for Google to review and approve it. Once you fill in all these informations, the submit option will appear here and you can click it. Once you click it, you're gonna have to wait for Google's approval. Placing a name on Google Maps helps the community and improves the platform's usability. Whether it's your home, a hidden cafe, or hiking trail, properly naming it can make a big difference. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.